God bless you. I'm Okoye Chinoso Raymond. So I will guide you on forex trading made simple. Let's begin. What is financial markets? The financial markets is a place. It could be physical or digital, where people and institutions buy and sell financial assets, such like stock, which is ownership in company. It could be bonds, loans to governments or corporations. It could be currencies like forex, buying and selling of global currencies, or even commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Also, derivatives, contracts based on the value of other assets. In example, options and futures. So, in simple terms, a financial market is like a big marketplace for money and investments where people trade things of financial value instead of tomatoes or clothes. All right. So, key types of financial markets, we have the stock markets where shares of companies are being traded. We have bond markets where governments and companies borrow money. We have the forex markets where currencies like USD, that's US dollar, euro, EUR, or NGN being naira are exchanged. So the forex market involves that trading of your respective country currency. So we now have the commodity markets where goods like oil, gold, and cocoa are traded. We now have derivative markets where people trade contracts based on future prices. When I have the money markets, deals with short-term borrowing and lending, usually under a year. The purpose of the financial market, it helps business raise money, capital to grow. It gives investors a chance to earn their money. It helps in price discovery, figuring out the values of things. It allows risk management, that's through hedging. It supports the economy by directing funds from savers to users. As you continue, you still understand what is hedging. So we're going to dive into what is forex. This platform, the aim is to raise purpose-driven traders, meaning people who are focused on their calling, their assignment. Yes, they still want to multiply their income through the forex markets. So I am not sent to people who are idle. I'm sent to people who are productive. So let's say a medical doctor, a lawyer, a pastor, a banker. You know, you could still earn from the forex market irrespective of what you're doing. Whether you're a student or even a nursing mother, you could still earn from the financial market. Because for now, I'm going to I would guide you on how to earn from synthetic indices, and also how to also earn from the forex market itself. Then maybe in the future we could get into crypto and stock, but for now the focus is on um, the forex market and also synthetic indices. Let's proceed. So what is forex? It is foreign exchange market. We trade currencies just like market women trade tomatoes. You don't Please know that um, you don't start forex with your real money. We have a demo account, that's free money you use to rehearse or practice. Please note that forex trading is not betting. All right, it's a skill based on analysis and discipline. Also, this is not a place for quick money. It is a skill. We are in for business. I'm sure that for some persons they had interest in forex trading because they saw someone post online that at the comfort of my bed this morning I made $10,000, or at the comfort of my room I made $50,000. Well, that's true. Also, you could also lose millions of dollars at the comfort of your bed or in your parlor room. All right, so you need to be guided properly. So Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the global market where people trade currencies, just like you can exchange naira for dollar when you travel. Traders buy and sell currencies online to make profits from their price changes. You know, in forex trading, we do ours online, but I'm sure you, let's say now, if you want to travel from Nigeria to Ghana, for example, you need to sell your naira to buy Ghana cedis because you don't transact with naira in Ghana. Or let's say you live in Nigeria. Now, when you sell your naira and you buy Ghana cedis, you have engaged in forex. That is currency exchange. You traded your naira to buy cedis. Okay, let's say you reside in Nigeria and a relative, a friend returns from the US with dollar and person gives you $10. You would now rush down to maybe a place called Bureau de Change and you tell them that, oh, I want to sell this $10, so you could give me naira. When they take your $10 and give you the naira equivalence of that $10, you have engaged in forex. So, but it's just that you did that physically, but I'll guide you how to do it online. So, some major currencies, we have the US dollar, we have euro, we have Great Britain pounds, we now have JPY, which is Japanese yen, and of course we have XAU, which is gold. These currencies rise and fall in value every second. Forex trading is the act of predicting and taking advantage of these changes. In forex, currencies are traded in pairs, like we have euro USD, that's you are trading euro against dollar. We have Great Britain pounds slash Japanese yen, that's pounds against yen. When I have gold slash USD, that's you are trading gold against US dollar. When you buy euro slash USD, you are buying euros and selling dollars. So let's say you trade USD slash NGN, that's naira. You are buying US dollar and you are selling naira. You grab. So that will be it for this first section. So in a subsequent video, we're going to proceed to another subject or concept in the forex markets. But note that forex trading is what? Foreign exchange. When you swap or sell a particular currency to get another, you have engaged in forex, even if you did that physically. All right. So, irrespective of whatever got your interest into forex trading, please know that this is a skill. It's a skill. It is a skill. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It is not a get rich fast scheme. Of course, you can make so much money from the forex market. You could also lose so much money on the forex market. So you need to be properly guided. And irrespective of what you have seen online, just know that people make money from the forex market. People also lose fortunes from the forex market. So they need to be guided. But trust me, when you're properly guided, forex trading is a means to multiply your income. And like I told you, I'm here to raise purpose-driven traders, people who you are pursuing your life assignments, but you can still refresh on the forex market to grow your income and earn in foreign currency. So with time you understand better. So Go on to the next video.